What up everyone, and welcome to tutorial number 20, and in this tutorial we'll be learning about something called continue, and we'll also do more on break. If you guys remember it, we used it on our switch and case tutorial, so we'll use it using a while loop as well. So we'll have a mix of a while loop, a break, and a continue, and see what actually it does. So, or not what it does, how can we use a break and a continue? So let's do a while, and I'm gonna set x equal to, not equal to, if it's bigger than 0, I want you to do a certain thing, and I want you to, let's say, do a system.out.println, and I want you to print x. And if x is equal to 4, I want you to, let's say, do something, which is break, because this particular loop will stay in loop forever, because x will always be equal to 0 if we increment in a plus-wise, and that's what we're actually going to do. So if I do x plus plus like that, and then a semicolon, that's actually what I'm trying to do. So let me explain. So I have a while loop that I wanted to loop if x is bigger than 0. And in our particular case is x is equal to 1, so that meets the condition. And I want you to print it out. And if x is equal to 4, I want you to break, which means I want you to stop this loop. And then in every loop it increments by 1 upward. So that means if I actually don't break it, this will keep going and going and going and will never stop. So if I run it now, at 4 it stopped. It did a break. That means it will break the loop. So for example, if I remove this, I want you to do absolutely nothing. I'll run it, this will keep going, and then let me stop it before it breaks my computer. So you see how many times it actually looped? It looped forever. And ever and ever. It will keep looping, looping, looping. But that break will actually stop it from looping forever. So that's first case. So that's for break. So we learned how can we use break in something useful. So let's do continue, which we didn't learn before. This is something really nice that would also help. So let's do a for loop. Initiate x is equal to 10, and then we'll say x is bigger or equal to 40. Actually, sorry, smaller or equal to 40. And then we'll increment this by actually 10. So x plus 10. And then no semicolon is needed here. All right. So and then I'm gonna write if x is equal to 20. I want you to continue, and we'll see what that would actually do. And then in each loop, I want you I want to know what's the value of x. So let's see what's going to happen here. So let's actually save and run it and see what will actually happen. So we did 10. For some reason, we didn't do 20, and then 30, and then 40. So that's actually what a continue does. So a continue skips whatever in the for loop. So I did a for loop, and I told it if x is equal 20, I want you to skip this whole for loop. So this for loop ends right here. So what did the continue did? It skipped everything to here, and then it went back. So a continue, it breaks the for loop for the current iteration only, but it keeps going for the next iterations. So that's it for this tutorial. We learned how to use a break, and we also learned how to use a continue. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe and like my videos as well. Thank you so much, and have a great day.